Hello students, hope all of you are doing fine. Now, in last session we have discussed the chapter 6, that is digestion. Now, in continuation of that chapter, today we will discuss about teeth. In this part, the topics covered will be introduction of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth, parts of tooth, different kinds of teeth, tooth decay, and looking after teeth. Teeth. Teeth play an important role in breaking down food into small pieces that are easy to swallow. They help in digestion. Teeth also help us to talk properly. They give shape to our face. There are two types of teeth. First, milk teeth or temporary teeth, and second, permanent teeth. First, milk teeth. Have you seen teeth in a newborn baby? No. The teeth are hidden in their gums. This begin to show after 6 months. By the time the baby is 3 years old, he or she has about 20 milk teeth. So how many teeth are milk teeth? They are 20 in number. They help in chewing food and speech development, and they also aid in jaw development. Between the ages about 6 and 7, the roots of the milk teeth dissolved and eventually the teeth fall out. So, milk teeth are also known as temporary teeth. Second is permanent teeth. Slowly the permanent teeth grows and takes place of the milk teeth. There are 28 permanent teeth. 4 more teeth grow at the age of 25. An adult have 32 teeth. Parts of a tooth. The tooth has different parts. First, crown. Crown is the part of the tooth we can see. It is not covered by the gum. The next, the crown of each tooth is covered with enamel, that is very hard and shiny substance. It protects the inside part of the tooth. Third, dentine. Dentine lies under the enamel. It makes up the largest part of the tooth and it is hard but not as much hard as the enamel. Fourth, dentine protects the innermost part of the tooth, which is called pulp. The pulp is the place where each tooth's nerves, endings and blood supply are found. The next is the pulp goes all the way down into the root of the tooth, which is under the gum. Cementum makes up the root of the tooth, which is anchored to the jawbone. Types of teeth. There are different types of teeth in our mouth. Open your mouth and look at your upper and lower jaw in the mirror and compare the teeth in the front with the teeth at the back. What difference do you find? You will see different types of teeth like incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The different types of permanent teeth in the mouth. Each one has its own function. First, incisor. There are 4 teeth at the front of each jaw. They help to cut and bite the food. They are 8 in numbers, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Then next comes canines. The canines are next to the incisors. They are sharp and pointed. They are used for tearing food like meat and other things. There are 4 canines in all, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Then third is premolars. Next to canines are premolars. There are 8 premolars, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Teeth are bigger, stronger and have ridges to crush and grind the food. Then the last one is molars, which is also known as grinding teeth. The molars are 3 teeth at the back of the mouth next to the premolars. They are broader. They help to grind the food and they are total 12 in numbers. 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. Tooth decay. If you look after your permanent teeth properly, they will last a lifetime. But if you do not look after them, they may decay and fall out. Once permanent teeth fall out, new teeth will not grow in their place. It is therefore very important to look after your teeth. When you eat, small bits of food get stuck between your teeth. If these bits of food are not removed, small living things called germs start growing on them. Now, germs produce substance called acids which harm the enamel. Small holes called cavities then form on the teeth. As germs continue to attack the teeth, the cavities become bigger and deeper. If a cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts hurting. Dental plaque is a layer of sticky colorless film of bacteria on the tooth. Looking after teeth. By following some simple rules, we can keep our teeth healthy. First, wash your mouth after every meal. Second, brush your teeth twice a day. This removes bits of food stuck between your teeth. Third, ask your parents to take you to a dentist periodically to check for cavities. Fourth, avoid eating sticky chocolates and sweets. Fifth, avoid fizzy drinks because they have acids in them. They are not good for your teeth. And last, drink plenty of milk and eat green leafy vegetables. This gives vitamin A and calcium and both are good for your teeth.